what happened today. There's all of these birds at my neighbor's yard. Look at that. Look at that. Look how many birds over there. Just all right there. Look. Look at this. God dang. See them? They're up in that tree. I mean, just swarm of birds everywhere. They went on all that tree right there. Can't you see that? Just look at that. It's crazy. Never saw this before in my life. I mean, just look at all of them in there. Oh my God! Just look at this! Look at it! Isn't that crazy? Just like the tree. How can this many crows be out like this today? If I were you, do not have any food around here, or they will be all up on you for freaking food. I mean, like, God, how could they? If there's any wildlife people watching this, please tell me how this happened. I know my camera looks horrible, but
look at all those chickens.
Just please like and subscribe to this video.